Namaste from me to you. I'm Sharmila and welcome to Swayambhu Discover Yourself. In today's video, we will be concentrating on these 4 words: table, travel, 10, toward. So let's move on to the first word, table. T-A-B-L-E, table. Dining table, round table, wooden table. Ping pong is also called table tennis. Sham, we need a dining table. But we already have a dining table. Ours is a round dining table and it's too small. We need a long dining table. We are lucky. We can put food on the table. Children learn multiplication tables at school. The legs of the table are shaky. Could you please fix the table? Could you please clear the table? I would like to reserve a table for 2. The second word is travel. T-R-A-V-E-L, travel. Air travel, train travel, bus travel. Do you like to travel? Yes, I love to travel. I'm planning to travel around the world next year. What are your travel plans? I have picked up some travel brochures at the travel agency. Don't forget your travel documents. What's the best way to travel? It depends on you. Which mode of travel do you like? We traveled around the country by car, by bus, and we even took the metro. We traveled for 3 months. Is it? Sounds very exciting. Yeah, it's a great experience. Light travels faster than sound. The third word is 10, T-E-N, 10, 10 o'clock. 10 minutes, 10,000, 10 years old, 10%. A decade is 10 years. How old is your child? He is 10. Deepak, what time is the meeting? The meeting is scheduled at 10 a.m. The farmer has 10 cows. He sells 10 liters of milk every day. What time did Jerry come home? Jerry came home at 10. How many languages does Jerry speak? He speaks 10 languages. Oh my God. I met Minnie after 10 years. 10 years is a long time. Yes. The next word is toward. T-O-W-A-R-D, toward. Towards the front, towards the back. Towards success, move towards, run toward. Work yourself all the way towards success. The train was coming towards the station. A boy came running towards me. My house looked towards the sea. We walked towards the bridge across the river. Tina drew the chair towards her. You must show respect towards your parents and elders. So that's all for today. Meet you again in my next video. Till then, stay healthy, stay blessed, and take care. Be happy always.